Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling Secure Folder so your private apps and files are isolated. Open Settings, then Biometrics and Security. Tap Secure Folder and sign in with your Samsung account to register the feature. Once signed in, set a lock type, PIN, pattern, or biometric, because that defines how apps and files are accessed. Make sure to pick something memorable yet secure. If you prefer extra privacy, enable separate biometrics. After this initial setup, you're ready to add apps and content directly into the folder. Next, populate Secure Folder with the apps and files you want protected. Tap Add Apps to move existing apps or install new ones directly into the folder. Moving keeps a secure copy isolated from your main profile. For media and documents, choose Add Files and select the location to import into Secure Folder so originals remain protected. Also, configure folder visibility. Show the Secure Folder icon on the home screen for quick access, or hide it to reduce exposure. Either option secures content while matching your convenience needs. To finish, tighten behavior and create recovery options so you don't lose access. In Secure Folder settings, enable automatic lock when the screen turns off and set an auto lock timer to close the folder after an activity. Turn on Samsung Cloud Backup to sync secure folder data. That saves apps and files for restore. If you can't open the folder later, make sure your Samsung account is signed in. Then use Samsung Find My Mobile to reset the lock or restore data. This single troubleshooting tip solves most access issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.